Good morning everyone, myself Samasmita and today we are going to do the comprehension part of this chapter. So you think you can divide. Okay, तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. नंबर 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. ओके, इसके सारे आंसर्स मैंने एक कॉपी में लिख लिया है. नंबर 8, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द यंगेस्ट सन? द नेम ऑफ द यंगेस्ट सन वाज लालजी. ओके. नंबर बी, हाउ मेनी कैमल्स डिड द फादर वांट टू गिव टू नथु? The father wanted to give to Nathu 1/3 of total 17 camels. Okay. C, who would get the largest share? What was the share? Ruplal would get the largest share. He is going to get half the camels. Okay. Number D, what was Lalji's idea? What was it a good one? Lalji's first idea was to sell one camel and divide the money. The second idea was to kill one camel and feed the villagers in the memory of their father. No, the idea were not good one. E, what was the eldest son reactions to the idea of the youngest? The eldest son Ruplal called Lalji crazy because he did not like the idea of wasting a camel by feeding the whole village. F, what happened when the argument was at its height? When the argument was reaching its height, a holy man came to the way leading a camel by a rope. G, how did the holy man help the brothers? The holy man helped the brothers by giving them his own camel. Okay. H, did the brother accept the holy man's offer? Yes, at last they accepted the holy man's offer. I, were all the brothers happy in the end? Yes, all the brothers were happy in the end. J, did the brothers keep the promise they made to their fathers? Initially, the brothers quarreled, but with the help of the holy man, they were able to keep the promise they made to their fathers. Okay, these questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. K, which brother is the most reasonable? Look through the story to find reasons for your answer. Lalji, the youngest son, is the most reasonable because he gave two suggestions. The first idea was to sell one camel and divide the money. The second was to kill one camel and feed the villagers in the memory of their father. He wants to solve the problem. L, do you think families always quarrel about wills? Why do people fight over a will? No, families do not quarrel about wills. People fight over a will when they feel it is not correct. Okay. Then number 2, say which of the following statements about the story are true and which are false. Number A, Lalji was the youngest son. Yes, true. Ruplal did not argue with his brothers. False. The holy man told the brothers not to quarrel. True. The boys obeyed their father's wish. False. The argument between the brothers became quite fierce. True. The brothers began quarreling before the father's funeral. False. Okay, turn over the page. Number 3. Answer the following with reference to the context. A, the younger boy were a little disappointed but they did not complain. I, who were the younger boy? Nathu and Lalji were the younger boys. I, second, what was it that made them disappointed? The boys were disappointed because they were getting the smaller share compared to Ruplal. Third, do you think they would like to have complained? Give reason for your answer. Yes, they would have liked to complain because the share which was made by their father was not equal between the 3 brothers. B, how about selling one camel and then divide the money? He said rightly. I, who made this sentence to whom? Lalji made this statement to his elder brothers. Why did the speaker think it was a good idea to sell one camel? The speaker thought that if they will sell one camel, they will be able to divide 16 camels easily. Third, what did others think of this suggestion? How did they react? The others quarreled, making their dislike for the suggestions quite obvious. Okay, then working with words. Here are some words from the story. Look in a dictionary to find out what they mean. Also find out what parts of speech each word is. Okay. Bequeath. Bequeath means to leave personal property to somebody after death by means of will. Okay. It is adverb. Quarrel. Quarrel means to argue. It is a verb. Gloomy. Gloomy means cheerless or unhappy. It is adjective. Exactly. Completely correct information. It is adverb. Inheritance. The reception of genetic qualities by transmission from parent. It is a noun. Okay. Then number 2. Use the following in the sentence of your own. According to. She always did everything according to the rules. Interrupted. A knock at the door interrupted their conversation. Struck with amazement. The people were struck with amazement when they watched a man walking on fire. Okay. Then commanded. Do not touch the cake, Rajiv commanded the boy. A friendly manner. I knew a couple of guests who greeted me in a friendly manner. If God wills, we can win the show. Okay. Then abbreviations. Okay. Do you remember what an abbreviation is? It's a short form of writing something. Abbreviation क्या होता है? किसी भी एक चीज को लिखने का शॉर्ट फॉर्म का तरीका होता है. Usually only the important words they have their initial letters in the abbreviation. Usually क्या होता है? उनका initial letter important word होता है. For example क्या है? Bachelor of Arts is not BOA but BA. Okay. Number 3. See if you can write abbreviations for the following. Master of Science. इसको MSc. His or her Majesty. HM. Member of Parliament. It is MP. Master of Art. MA. School Living Certificate. SLC. Kilometer per hour. km per hour. Doctor of Medicines. MD. Trade Union. TU. United Kingdom. UK. USA. United States of America. USA. Prime Minister. PM. Doctor of Philosophy. PhD. Southeast. SE. Bachelor of Education. BED. Okay. Then contractions. Contractions are also the short form of something. Okay. Write the short form contraction of the following. I am. I apostrophe am. They have. They apostrophe VE. Cannot. CAN apostrophe T. Shall not. SHANT. They are. THE were. They apostrophe RE. I would. I apostrophe D. Have not. HAVE. Have. N apostrophe T. We are. We apostrophe RE. They will. They apostrophe LL. It is. It apostrophe S. Will not. WON apostrophe T. She will. SHE apostrophe LL. Okay. Then learning about language. Verb and adverb. Make a list of verb and adverb in the following passage. When they came is verb. Out they of the church they gazed is also verb. Wonderingly, adverb. At the sword. Round is verb. The stone they found is also verb. This beautifully is adverb. Written letters of gold. Who pulls, verb. Out this sword from this stone will be king of all Britain. All the men tried, verb, hard to pull, verb, out of the swords, but no one could move. Move is also verb. It at all. Okay. So these are the question answer of the chapter. So you think you can divide? Okay. I hope सबको आ गया होगा. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.